We are on our final shebanger. I have, by God's grace, given you the basic principles of how to create a platformer. Now that you can do it, I know anybody can do it. It don't matter what age you are. We literally did all the basics, so you are well equipped to start creating your platform game. Now, a couple things you need to do to kind of seal the deal, right? And again, this is just basic stuff. Is you need a home screen and you need an end screen. Let's go create that right now. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go to Canva and create this. You do not have to go to Canva. You can create a home screen on GDevelop, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So, but I'm doing it for Canva just because some of y'all got Canva for free. So I know you remember this amazing little duet of a lame, a lame. It is kind of, no, I'm joking. I know you remember this amazing the level design that we started off with. Again, we're gonna go ahead and create a menu screen. So let's go over here. We can delete this one, and let's go ahead and create one. And so I think we have like some type of like pixel character. So let's type in like a pixel space guy. I guess that's what he looks like. All right, cool. All right, and we're gonna go ahead, make this our background. That looks pretty pixely for us. And ooh, this is kind of cool. Boom. Let's give it that. That looks kind of pretty cool. And we want to let's give it a nice little place to get a little flag, capture the flag. And it would be super cool if they had like an astronaut right now. I mean, it will do it for me times 10. Can we find an Astro Man? Let's see. Oh, astronaut. Boom, perfect. And just for time purposes, we're gonna just throw this guy on here for real. Boom. You're not even pixelated, but you're gonna work right now. So here we go. And you can give it a text. We're gonna name it I'm gonna use one of these preset texts. My first name, let's go serve fleet. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Serve pixels. I don't know. Oh. I don't even know. Serve planet. There we go. Boom. Enter, then planet. Boom. Planet. There we go. All right. So serve planet. Let's get this down pat. All right. And so boom. That's looking amazing. I like it. Hopefully you like it. If you want to change it, go to neon. Ooh, there we go. Serve planet. Ooh, we are balling right now. All right. Now that we have this, we have our home screen and we need an end screen because we just beat the game and everybody's happy about life. And so what we'll do is let's just duplicate this. All right. And again, I'll give you a tutorial on that. And let's just put you win. Boom, you win. Awesome, right? Fireworks. You're so cool. All right. Now, what we're gonna do, we've got to save these two things right quick. So I'm gonna save it. All right, download, and we wanna download these as images. Don't worry, I am gonna show you how to do it without doing this. I'm just doing this because the people who have access to it, they're gonna wanna know how to do it. So again, if you wanna do it without it, just skip it to the timestamp that will let you see how to do it through the actual game engine. All right, so what we're gonna do, add a new scene. So we're gonna add a scene, call it home, call it menu. You can name what you want to. Let's name menu because that's about right. Menu. All right. Now let's click it right quick. Let's exit out these scenes. We don't need these scenes no more. Click menu. All right, so this is a way you can do it without adding the image. You can go over here and you You can change your screen. Let's make it blue. And the easiest thing you do is you can just add a text. Oh, not add a layer, sorry. Oops, let me do that. Delete that. Add a text, and that text will tell you the name of your game, right? So serve, and then after that, planet. Okay, boom. And who doesn't want to serve your planet? All right, and you can add effects to it, like a glow effect, right? So effects, keep outline. Again, you have glow. You have a whole bunch of different ones you can play with. Glow. Take that, put it on the thing, and then boom, you have it. In this case, I don't want to do that. And again, that's pretty much what you're going to do. In this case, we want to not do this for the background. So I'm going to just add those images, right? So get a sprite. Again, you can name it BG. You can name it whatever you want to. You can name it sprite, to be honest. All right, you want to add this sprite. Choose the file. It's on our desktop, obviously. So double click it. Go to our first one. Open it. All right, it's going to take a little bit to get in there. It's there. Press apply, and now we have it. So let's take this and we're going to make it fill the screen, right? All right, now what we want to do is test this out to make sure you can see it when we are in the game. And so boom, this is what it looks like. All right, and that's kind of big. So let's go ahead and kind of scale that down right there, because that's kind of big. All right, so we have it. I'm pretty sure it looks a lot better. Of course it looks a lot better, right? Boom, make it a little bigger, and it looks good. Now, what we need right now is to give it a button. So regardless if you did it, it doesn't matter which way you did it, whether you did it with the text or you did it this way, you still need a button. So let's go to objects, and we're gonna add a button. So here we go, panel button. And let's just go ahead and pick, doesn't really matter. We already got blue, let's go yellow. All right, so boom, we have it. We're gonna take this panel button, we're gonna drag it in here so that the person is able to click it. We're gonna double click the button, and we're just gonna change the text. So instead of it saying button, we're gonna name it start. Everybody got that? And you can change the color. Let's change it to white so somebody can see it. All right, apply it, and that's it. So again, how did I do that? I went here, added a button, and then I brought it over. Okay. Now, the only thing we want to do on this one is a couple things you can do. You can give it music like before. Again, add an event in beginning. And then after that, press OK. Give it an action, and then you go to your sound, of course. And you already have your sound save, and so I think it's this one. All right, and then press OK, and then you have it. Okay, and maybe I want to loop it. Who knows? All right, we want to add an event that, in this case, this button is clicked, right? We want to make sure it's clicked, right? If it's clicked, we want to change the scene. That's all we're doing. So again, we're typing the word scene, right? And then we want to go to scene 1. Pretty simple. It's not that hard. Okay, and that's all it is. Hit save. I need to make sure I didn't in other videos. Forgive me. But hit save, and you have this preview where it's going to play the sound, and if I click the button, it's going to go to scene 1. Okay, now what we want to do for the end of it is, once we get done with the last level, we want to do the same thing. So 2 ways you can do it. You can duplicate it, or I just say end. So I added a new scene called end. So again, right here, I added that scene, and the same thing, add an object, right? Go get your sprite. So again, add, here you go. Our second image of it. It's gonna take a bit to load up. Once it loads up, it says you win. Now we're gonna take that, we're gonna put it on the screen. Looking pretty decent right now. You win. Now, we're gonna do the same thing. Go over here, add a button. This button is gonna do what? Take us back home. So again, add our button, right? Now, in this case, I'm gonna show you how to, like, if you didn't duplicate it, you can still do the same thing. So again, click on this, press Control C, go over to your event, right? Add an event, click on that side, hit Control V, you can paste it. And the same thing right here. Hit Control C and over here paste it. But again, I'm gonna do the same thing. Go to condition, I'll go over here. When it's clicked, that's what we want to tell it. So this is logic-based code where you actually just more logic. So if I click this, what I want to happen, I want just to change the scene. So again, scene, and I want to go to the menu because I want to recycle this thing over. Press OK. Now that we have all this together, we should have a very awesome game. All right, so now the only thing we need to do is do your best to test this out. You deserve this, right? First of all, let's thank God, thank Jesus for this moment where we can just have a moment to have a product. Let's go. All right, so boom, here we go. We have our game. Boom, we're playing our game. Our game is so amazing. Oh, hold on right quick. I just forgot I made a shortcut. Okay, it doesn't matter. Anyway, let's get this game over with. All right, we got a little shortcut, right? Shortcut going, boom, boom. It kind of looked like our old game, but it's not our old level. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, we cannot get up here. All right, let me just change a couple things right quick so we can get. So here we go in our first scene. We're doing good, and oh, did I delete it? Oh no. Oh no. I think I just skipped to the scene too. All right, cool. All right, boom, boom, boom. Oh, look at that. I feel like I'm in Mario right now, for real. And then, oh, we didn't program it. Oh, hey, you ever watched a video and you're like, bro, you didn't do something right? That's one of these moments. So let's go ahead and program it right quick. All right, so on our scene 2, right, we want to go ahead and then, of course, when our virtual guy collides, again, y'all know this, y'all already know this, y'all probably know collision to death at this point, right? We want to just change the scene, right? That is so good, man. Again, I hope you really enjoyed this. This is definitely a blessing to be in front of you. And then I pray that if ever I can serve you, you will let me know. All right, so boom, we got that. So again, let's just go to scene 2 to wrap this up. And so again, boom, boom, boom. Let me stop playing. Ooh, gone. I'm out of there, boom. Oh yeah, boom. Okay, boom. Oh, ooh, gotcha. Look at that. Oh, watch out. Gone. Let me stop. Ooh, oh, almost got hit. Oh, up. All right, we good. Boom, you win. All right, and that's it. That is the basics of the entire platform series. Obviously, there's so much you can add. You can add dust particles, you can add fireballs, you can do all that stuff. Obviously, they got so many other people out there, but I just want to get you started in your game dev journey, and you have learned how to do just the basic parts about what is a platform. I hope you feel comfortable. If you have any questions, shoot out. Again, I'll drop another tutorial. I'm probably gonna do Endless Runner next. I'm not sure. We shall see. Until next time. Again, Jesus love you. God bless you. Espino serve.